I'd like to introduce the Roomba 980. This is probably the most important robot that iRobot has launched since the original Roomba. This robot is smart. The navigation technology inside of it allows the robot to clean the whole home. This robot is simple. It's easy to use. You can schedule it on your app.
Our engineers created a feature that we call Carpet Boost. And Roomba now can detect the type of floor it's on.
This is a technology not just to benefit Roomba and vacuuming, to benefit smart homes for decades to come.